Hey everyone, so this will be a quick tour for the Hilton Tokyo King Premium Room. So the entrance here, nothing too crazy, just a nice shelf here for your luggages. So right here we have the bathroom with a nice toilet and a bidet. This is the mirror, nice. They have some good amenity kits here, everything you need. Extra towels, always love extra towels. This is the shower. Oh, shower's pretty nice. So you have your bathtub to the right, and then your shower here to the left. Very nice. The odd part is there is a glass straight to the bedroom. And then over here, we're gonna come here to the closets. We got some slippers. One's already been used. Here's a hanger. Nice big safe. It's great for your wallet and passports. Some shelf. All right, cool. So now to the living area. This is coffee maker. Comes with 6 Nespresso pods. Very nice. Lots of tea of your choice. And they left us a special gift. A tea blend for our tea over there. And probably some sort of cake. Thank you, Hilton. Fridge. Pretty spacious. I like how they don't have anything in here. That way, we don't have to, move around the mini bar stuff. And here, it's just some cups. Tea makers. This is a king size bed. This is still odd. There's glass. I think you slide it for some privacy. Still not sure why you would want to open in the first place. Bedside. Tissues. Wireless charging. Oh, that's nice. With USB-C also. Pretty big TV here. I'd say about 49 to 50, probably 49 or 55 inches. I think it's more towards 55 inches. And then a nice desk area here. Some dinner buffet stuff. More ports. I like that. I like this too. Where you hit one button and it turns off all the lights. And then the view. This is the King Premium view. So this is a King Premium City view, which is the cheapest room. And surprisingly, it's still really nice. Not sure you can see it. So one interesting thing to mention is we stayed at Conrad yesterday, and a lot of the things are very similar. Like this water. This water, it says Hilton brand. It's Hilton branded here, but on Conrad, they just replace the logo with Conrad, and then lots of same stuff. Like even the see-through glass, that was also the Conrad. So I mean, maybe it's cheaper to stay here. Maybe stay here instead. But the bathroom here is definitely a lot smaller than the Conrad. The Conrad is probably twice as large. So if bathroom size matters to you. Alright, that was a quick tour. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. As I was unpacking, I noticed that there are some differences. Not major, but there are some differences. Like this kimono, you get kimono here. But at Conrad, you actually get a full-size robe. These slippers are super thin and cheap. The one at Conrad are not nice and thick, and there's a grip in the bottom. These are just plastic or styrofoam. There's also no umbrella. At Conrad, they have umbrellas in the closet, but that's fine because in the front desk, you can request for one. These are the same exact steamer.